Accidents happen in seconds, but the right dash cam can protect you for years. Today, we're looking at the top 5 best 4K dash cams of 2025 to keep you safe and your drives recorded in crystal clear detail. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're driving for work, commuting daily, or planning a road trip, having a reliable dash cam is one of the smartest investments you can make for safety and peace of mind. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 1. KAWA D11 4K Dash Cam. The KAWA D11 delivers true 4K recording with a Sony StarVis sensor for sharper details day and night. It comes with front and rear coverage, Wi-Fi connectivity, GPS tracking, and AI-enhanced color night vision. Customer reviews. Drivers praise its night vision clarity and say the rear camera quality is better than most competitors. Pros. True 4K resolution with Sony StarVis sensor. Front plus rear camera coverage. GPS tracking plus built-in Wi-Fi. AI night vision for low-light driving. Reliable motion detection for parking security. Number 2. Jimi JC400P Dash Cam. This dash cam does more than just record. It's a connected device with live streaming, GPS tracking, Wi-Fi hotspot capability, and multi-alarm alerts. Perfect for fleet management or long-distance drivers. Customer reviews. Users love the live streaming feature, saying it gives them peace of mind when lending their car to family members or employees. Pros. 1080p dual camera setup. 4G connectivity for live streaming. Built-in GPS tracking. Works as a Wi-Fi hotspot. Multi-alarm alerts for safety. Number 3. DDPAI Z60 Pro 4K Dash Cam. One of the newest models for 2025, the DDPAI Z60 Pro, features a Sony StarVis2 sensor, 4K front plus rear recording, 5G HZ Wi-Fi for faster file transfers, GPS, and ADAS driver assistance. Customer reviews. Highly rated for its crystal clear image quality, even in fast-moving traffic, and the ADAS alerts that help avoid collisions. Pros. 4K recording with Sony StarVis2 sensor. Dual front and rear camera setup. ADAS driver assistance system. 5G HZ Wi-Fi for quick downloads. Built-in GPS for route tracking. Number 4. AZDOME M550 Pro Dash Cam. The AZDOME M550 Pro combines 4K front plus 1080p rear recording, built-in GPS, Wi-Fi, and a 3.19-inch IPS screen. It also features infrared night vision and 24-hour parking mode for full-time monitoring. Customer reviews. Reviewers love its balance of features and price, saying it's one of the best budget-friendly 4K dash cams available. Pros. 4K plus 1080p dual camera setup. Built-in GPS and Wi-Fi. Large IPS display for easy playback. Infrared night vision for dark environments. 24-hour parking surveillance. Number 5. XGODY Y10.26 4K Dash Cam. This dash cam doubles as a smart infotainment system. With a massive 10.26-inch screen, 4K recording, CarPlay and Android Auto integration, Wi-Fi navigation, and a rear-view camera, it's the ultimate upgrade for modern cars. Customer reviews. Users love how it combines a dash cam with CarPlay Android Auto, reducing the need for multiple devices on the dashboard. Pros. 4K dash cam with rear-view camera. Large 10.26-inch display. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto support. Built-in navigation with Wi-Fi. Combines safety plus convenience in one device. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. So, those are the top 5 best 4K dash cams in 2025 each, with unique features to fit different needs. If you want best-in-class night vision, the KAWA D11 is a great pick. For connected driving and fleet management, go with the Jimi JC400P. The DDPAI Z60 Pro is perfect if you want cutting-edge 4K and ADAS safety features. On a budget but want quality? The AZDOME M550 Pro delivers excellent value. And if you want a 2-in-1 dash cam plus CarPlay system, the XGODY Y10.26 is hard to beat. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.